What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Xbox Mandalorian Limited Edition controller. And it also includes a Pro charging stand as well, but this is a new limited edition Xbox controller specifically for the Mandalorian. Dude, so sick. It is actually like Xbox designed, Xbox branded. This is an official Xbox gear. And yeah, dude, it's so sick. So we actually got a controller just like this last year. It was the Purge controller, which is for the launch of Jedi Fallen Order, that game that came out. And this year we have one for the Mandalorian. So I don't know, this would be kind of cool if they had a new Xbox controller come out like this, like a new limited edition one every single year, dude. That would be so dope. But here it is, just in time today for the finale of the Mandalorian Season 2, dude. Really excited to watch that. But here we have our limited edition Mandalorian controller. So this is what it looks like. It's also really cool. I do like that it comes with the stand. Now, it is a charging stand, so I'm more into this more so for collecting than actually using this. So it is kind of a cool display item that you can have it sitting on its stand to display it. And I mean, we got something down there in Arabic. I'm not sure what that says, but I mean, if any of you guys want to translate that, there you go. Is that even Arabic? I don't know. But yeah, dang, check that out. It looks so sick. But yeah, there we go. Mandalorian Limited Edition, The Mandalorian by Controller Gear. Alright, here we go. Take a look on the side. It includes a wireless controller, charging stand, rechargeable battery, battery cover, and a power cord. For Xbox One and Windows, it also will work on your Xbox Series S and Xbox Series X. That's what I'm on, so I'll be using it on. On the other side, we get another look at the controller. Xbox, oh, this one even does say it on down there. Designed for Xbox Series X/S and Xbox One. Awesome. And then on the back here, it says optimized for any game, reassign button and tweak sensitivity in each controller profile you create. Awesome. And it says that, what does that say? Xbox accessories app features are only available on Xbox One and Windows 10, also on the Xbox Series S and X. It says elevate your game. Strongest in the galaxy with textured grip, also includes Bluetooth for gaming on Windows 10 devices. And then down here we have all the features. It says here, premium, built using the same materials and finish found on an Xbox wireless controller. Perfect charge includes a magnetic contact system to ensure a secure charge every time. One-hand navigation, engineered to allow one-hand navigation through your Xbox dashboard while charging. And then we have long battery life. Provides up to 12 hours of battery life for continuous gaming. That's actually really cool, dude. And yeah, dude, like that's good, you know? That way you don't have to be constantly plugging it in or setting it on the charger. You can have those long gaming sessions, you know? It says we have quick charge and slip resistant base too. Cool. All right. And then of course there is the full look at the controller, dude. So sick. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, here it comes. Oh man, dude, check that out. Yo, I didn't even see that. Look at that down there, bro. Holy shoot, this thing is like a work of art. Oh man. Yeah, dude, I am glad. I'm going to be collecting this one. I would feel so bad, like, actually using this, you know, like having some wear and tear on it. If I ever dropped it, I'd feel so bad. But let's first take a look at the charging stand. All right, look at the charging stand. So, I mean, it's got a little bit of weight to it, which is actually good because, you know, you don't want it too light or else the controller might topple off of it. But it has, like, little rubber feet on the bottom, which helps it, like, stay in place, like, on your desk or table or entertainment center or something like that. Of course, up there, so your controller just rests right on top of it. But dude, I love that design on the front. Look how cool that looks. I mean, it has kind of like, it looks like a worn, like kind of like a battle-worn armor looking finish to the front of it. That's so cool. And not a whole lot around back other than right there you just have your power. That's how you plug that into the wall, and then that's how you charge your controller. Dude, that is so sweet. Now let's take a look at the controller itself. And there it is, dude. Look at that, man. Wow. So we still have the colored Xbox buttons, and it's one of the newer Xbox controllers. This one is based off the Xbox One controller, not the Series S or X. You can tell that because it also does not have the share button, and also like up around the Xbox button and the bumpers, it's different up there, but doesn't really matter because it's, you know, backwards, forwards compatible. It's all compatible. But dude, check that out. Like, look at all the detail that went into this. Like, dude, that is so sick. Man, look at all that. Like, dude, you really got to take all this in and really appreciate all the time and effort that went into this. Uh-oh, that's kind of interesting. It doesn't perfectly line up, which I'll give them a pass on that. That's probably just an error in like manufacturing or something like that. Not a big deal, but still interesting nonetheless. But then, yeah, dude, like, look at all this stuff, man. Wow, this kind of also reminds me a little bit of the Cyberpunk controller, of how much it's worn. But unlike the Cyberpunk controller like actually looks dirty. It looks like somebody had been using that controller for a while. It looks kind of like a beat up controller you like give to your cousin when they came over to play. But this one, I mean, it does look worn and stuff, but you can tell that it's like an aesthetic choice. With the Cyberpunk controller, you couldn't really tell that. I mean, it really did look like somebody had beat that thing up quite a bit. But this one, yeah, this one looks like it's meant to look this way, which is so sweet. We got the going around to the back to the grip. So this one also has that original like Xbox One grip. So a little bit worse than the grip they have on, say, the new controllers with the Series S and Series X. And then on the back here, with the recharge faceplate, it says "Wanted, unknown species, the child wanted." Dude, look at that. There's little baby Yoda on there. That is cool, man. Look at the detail on that. Also, so they had a detail from last year's controller, which I want to see if they actually have that same one this year. Yep, and they have it right there. Hello from Vanguard Squadron. So the Purge controller from last year for Jedi Fallen Order said hello from Kashyyyk. Dude, so cool, because on every Xbox One controller it'll say hello from Seattle. Of course, that's where Microsoft and Xbox is based out of, so that's kind of a cool Easter egg. But it's also really cool to be able to see them change that on these limited edition controllers. I mean, last year said hello from Kashyyyk. This one says hello from Vanguard Squadron. Dude, that is such a cool detail, man. Wow, this is going to make like a great piece right up next to my Purge controller, which also for kicks, I'm going to show you guys in just a second. But also, I also noticed over here on the box too, you got more writing all along the sides of it. There's more. And then we got the last side of it. We've got our rechargeable battery. It's an 1100 milliamp hour battery. Awesome. Like I said, it should last for like 12 hours. That'd be really good if it did. And then underneath this packaging in here, you got an Xbox Pro charging stand, as well as your cable, your user manual. Oh, and check that out, dude. That is really cool on the bottom of the box. Awesome, dude. This thing is so full, so much detail. That's cool. There it is, guys. There it is next to my Xbox Purge controller. Dude, that is so cool, dude. Yeah, like seriously, I am loving these limited edition Xbox controllers, dude. Once again, I hope they continue doing this, because these are so cool. And, I mean, since they're limited edition, you know, like, I have never even used my Purge controller to play games on. But, dude, it's so cool to actually display. Like, it's cool, especially with these stands, too, how the stands match the controller. Like, it's perfect for displaying, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So cool. And yeah, dude, I mean, I'm a pretty big collector of Xbox controllers and controllers in general, dude. So I think I'm going to make a video coming up soon of my entire controller collection. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. But yeah, that's going to do it, guys. That is the Mandalorian Limited Edition Xbox One controller, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to hear your guys' thoughts on this in the comments down below. What do you guys think about this? I mean, it is kind of spendy. I think it's about $170, which when you think about it, like $170 for a controller and a charging stand is actually quite a bit, because controllers are maybe like $60, maybe a little bit more for the design, and then like a charging stand is maybe what, like $20, $30. So for that price, you could get like an Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 right around there. But I mean, still, it is limited edition. It is Star Wars, so I mean, you're probably going to pay a little bit more for that aspect of it too. But still, I think it's great. It's I think the Purge controller is also right around that same price too. But man, like, these controllers are so sweet, I can't help myself. But yeah, there you guys go. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this in the comments down below. I'll see you next time.